Hi there. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off Windows Update from service. Uh, if the Windows keep updating, there is a lot of problem we are facing. By the way, let's go how to let's go and see how to turn this off. At first, we need to go to Task Manager, then Service, then Service.msc. You can find it also from run section. By the way, let's find the Windows Update option. Here you can see Windows Update is enabled and is started. We need to turn it off. We need to go to properties. Let's go to properties. Then we need to disable it. Disable it, and we need to apply and OK. Apply, OK. We have successfully disabled it, but it is still now started or running. Need to stop it. Let's stop it. Stopping. Windows Update has successfully stopped and disabled from Service Center. We can also temporarily stop it from Control Panel. Let's go and see. Let's go to Start menu, Start section, Start menu, then Control Panel, then Windows Update. After that, you will find Change Setting. Here you can see I already stopped or disable from here temporary section. We need to uncheck those section and need to select never check for update option, then OK. We successfully disable and turn off Windows Update for Windows 7. Thank you. Hope you enjoying it. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, you can ask us by commenting in our comment section. Thanks for watching.